मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार और आपके माता पिता को सादर प्रणाम। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त मोनिका और आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूं एक कहानी जिसका नाम है थ्री लिटिल पिग्स। So let us start with the story. I hope you will enjoy listening to this one. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. सोनू घास फूस के घर में रहता था. मोनू lived in a house of sticks. मोनू लकड़ियों के बने हुए घर में रहता था. गोनू lived in a house of bricks. गोनू ईंटों के बने हुए घर में रहता था. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed and blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house to save his life. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. And so he huffed and puffed and blew Monu's house down. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house and he said again, I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed, but the house didn't move. He huffed and puffed again. The house didn't move even now. He huffed and puffed and blew hard. But the brick house did not come down. It was very strong. The wolf went away. He was very tired. And Sonu, Monu, and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. So, dear friends, how did you find the story? Let's do the new words now. And, A-N-D, and. We use the word and to join one person or thing with another person or thing. For example, in the story we did Sonu and Monu, Sonu or Monu. हिंदी वाला है ये, सोनू और मोनू. There is another word or in English. It's spelled as OR. इसका मतलब होता है या. And का मतलब हिंदी वाला और OR और इसका हिंदी शब्द होता है या. सोनू और मोनू, सोनू या मोनू. Sonu and Monu, Sonu or Monu. That's how it goes. Big, big माने बड़ा. We did hear about the big bad wolf in the story, friends. Now I'll read out few sentences and you say the same thing after me. The wolf was big and bad. Try saying it, friends. Yes, very good. The next sentence is, the pig was not big. The pig was not big. Try saying it after me. The pig was not big. Very good. Well done, friends. You've done it. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions so that I can be clear whether you listened to the story carefully. How many pigs were there? Correct. You're right, friends. There were 3 pigs, Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? This I'm not gonna tell you. You need to find out or remember or go back in the audio when the story was being told and find out what the wolf said. Now, I hope you've got the answer to the question. Was the wolf good or bad? Yes, he was bad because he wanted to kill the pigs. He wanted to harm somebody else other than his own body. If we want to harm somebody, we are doing a bad thing. What is your house made of? Is your house made of bricks? Yes or no? Very good. Now, friends, we are going to learn some counting. Like we heard the story of three pigs right now. So, one was Sonu, two, Monu, three, Gonu. And if there were more pigs then? If one more pig came, then they would have been four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And add one more pig, they become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add another pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They become 6 now. Now, friends, your task is to write the counting in your notebook from 1 to 6. Mind your spellings, friends. You need to write them correctly in your notebook and get it corrected by your parents or elder sister or brother. The next exercise we are going to do is speak out names of some animals, and we will keep writing the names of these animals simultaneously. So, are you ready to write, friends? I will speak out the names just as we do in the Hindi stories, and you need to write it along with me. Horse, horse, HORSE. Hen, hen, HEN. Dog, dog, DOG. Crocodile, crocodile, CROCODILE. Frog, frog, FROG. Bear, bhalu, bear, BEAR. Buffalo, BUFFALO, buffalo. So, friends, it's over for today. We have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have learned names of 9 animals today. So, try and find out who these 9 animals are. And while going, I want to sing this little poem with you. The poem is bow, 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 says the dog. Mew, mew, says the cat. Blade, blade, says the goat. Roar, roar, says the lion. Hello, hello, says the child. So, dear friends, I just told you what we call the sounds of these animals in English. So, can you name them? Dog, bow bow. Cat, mew mew. Lion, roar. Goat, bleat. So, dear friends, I say goodbye to you for today, and I shall meet you soon with another poem or story. तब तक के लिए आप सभी को नमस्ते।